Now let's see the 2D functionality of this software. We have of course the measurement button, which is here, the roller. I click on the left click, and of course I can come here and measure a distance. If I want to measure something in particular, remember I can zoom in, angulate, position myself in a way that I will see a particular anatomy. And let's say if I want to measure one tooth here, I will come here again, take the first point, the second point, and here we go. My tooth here is about 17.3 millimeters. Now, the good thing about these tools is the fact that we can measure precisely the density of the bone. If I go right click on these values, I go show on-field unit graph, and I will see this diagram that will give me the density at each level of the tooth. If I move around, as you can see, right now I'm on the roots. If I go on the enamel, the density will be the highest. That's one of the functionality which is great with Acteon Imaging Suite. The ability to measure precisely the bone density. If I want to measure the ramus, let's say, for example here, I can go again here, roller, measure it, right click on the value, show on-field unit graph, and I will see all the on-field units of this bone. Okay. Right, next. The new functionality is the possibility to annotate a particular command. I can come here and type a text, any text I want, and press OK. And of course I can move it around if I don't like it. If the arrow is not precise, you can take it with the left click and move it around. Now, next one. The possibility to angulate, measure an angulation. Let's see, I'm an orthodontist and I want to measure a specific area. I come here, left click, another left click, another left click here, and I've got my degrees, my angulation. Of course I can do it wherever I want. I do it again, I come on this option, here, 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 and it gives me the degrees of the angulation. If I'm not happy with all the measurement that I have made, I can come simply on the bin here, and it will delete automatically all the draw, all the annotation, and all the measurement that I made. So we have seen this icon, this icon, this icon, but we haven't seen this icon. The measurement of surface. I go left click, I press shift on the keyboard, I click on left click again, keep pressing left click, I move it around, and as you can see, the 4 points are being created. I release shift, I release left click, and I've got my surface drawn. I go right click, and here, as you can see, I've got my area showing my parameters, the average bone density, the maximum bone density, the minimum bone density, and the standard deviation. This option is pretty good when you want to see a particular density of bone, let's say on the ramus here. I can estimate with precision what the density is going to be like. A pretty good 2D tools. Okay, so now I'm going to delete everything by going on the bin.